In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw straight lines, vertical and horizontal in MS Word. So simple and easy method. Just click on Insert, Shapes, select this line. Now press and hold Shift key and draw your line like this. So it will be straight. Press and hold Shift key. Like this. So horizontal and similarly you can insert vertical like this. So hopefully guys you like this video. By these simple steps we can know how to draw straight lines, vertical and horizontal in MS Word. Thanks for watching this video.